Hi, I hope all of you are keeping well. Saba Musharraf here, and in today's video I am making a card to congratulate new parents. I start off with a 4x6 inch piece of cardstock, and I am going to use the TCW Swiss dot stencil to add some gesso to the card. I'm adding gesso because I just want to add some texture to the card base. I'm going to apply gesso to the corners and not the center, because that's where I'll be sticking the embellishment, so I don't want gesso under that. Once applied, I carefully peel off the stencil, making sure that the dots don't smudge, and then I put the card aside to dry. Next, I use the Spellbinders Tiara Rondelle die, the largest one, and I'm going to cut out 3 layers of cardstock: white, purple and lilac. And once they're die cut, I'm going to stick them, layer them on and just stick them together just so that they're sturdy. Next, I'm going to take the circle die, and I'm going to use the largest one and cut out a circle. Once my cardstock has dried, I'm going to ink the edges using the sugar spun distress ink. This gives a nice soft pink color. Next, I'm going to take my Versamark embossing ink, and I'm going to stamp congratulations on our circle die cut. Once stamped, I'm going to take the Ranger's fine embossing powder and sprinkle it over the stamped text, making sure that everything is covered. And then I'm just going to heat set it. Once the color starts changing, I know it's embossed, and overheating it is going to burn the powder, so just make sure that you stop when the color changes. Next, I take a 1Z and using dimensional tape stick it on top. Now the frame that we had initially cut, I'm going to adhere that to the circle that we just worked on. I'm going to apply ink just to the edges, inner edges, and then stick it down. Once adhered and dry, I'm going to use some dimensional tape and adhere this entire piece to our gessoed piece of cardstock. Next, I'm going to add some more dimensional tape and stick this down to my 4.25 by 6.25 inches card. And our card is ready. Now, because the onesie looked too blank, I added a butterfly to it later on and then some glitter accents. I hope you enjoyed this card. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.